The golden ratio is when A plus B is to A as A is to B.
In the rectangle that I'm drawing, the sides are going to be x and 1. And you can set up the following proportion. X over x plus 1 is equal to 1 over x. Now when you cross multiply that, you get x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0, which is not factorable, so we put it into the quadratic equation. 1 plus or minus the root 5 over 2, which you get 0.618, which is the first 3 digits of the golden ratio. And that is the golden rectangle. Question: does Cece's ear take the shape of a golden spiral? Let's see. We apologize for this really gorgeous picture we attempted to make, but Cece's ear does have the golden spiral, which is pretty cool. So yeah.
Is Cece a prime specimen of the human race? Does she contain the golden ratio? Is she a model human being? Let's find out.
If Cece is a prime specimen, the following should be true. Her belly button should divide her body from the top of her head to her feet in the golden ratio. Her nose should divide her face from the top of her head to her chin in the golden ratio.
Cece's head is pretty perfect. Her head measures 19.5 centimeters. From her nose to the top of her head measures 12.2 centimeters. If we divide 12.2 by 19.5, we get a pretty long number, which is actually quite close to the golden ratio.
Cece's body also contains the golden ratio. Her full height is 65.5 inches. From her belly button to her toes is 40.25 inches. If we divide 40.25 by 65.5, we get another long number, which is also quite close to the golden ratio. Lily's hypothesis. Since Cece is a prime specimen, Lily thinks that her knees might divide from her toes to her hips in the golden ratio. We decided to test this out.
For once, Lily was right.
Yay!
From Cece's hip to her knee measured 25.5 inches. From her hips to her toes measured 42.25 inches. If we divide 25.5 by 42.25, we get the golden ratio. Well, this long number isn't quite the golden ratio, but it's pretty close.
Done.